Good morning, class 9. Today we will be studying about midpoint theorem. As you already have done yesterday, you did learn some few things about midpoint theorem. I hope you know the proof. You have done the proof on your own. Try looking at the video again and again, and try doing the proof. Okay, proof is very important. How to prove midpoint theorem. Maybe next year we'll do a project on midpoint theorem when you guys get into class 10. So this proof would be very necessary for midpoint theorem. Coming to this topic, midpoint theorem, there are some questions that I told you guys to do yesterday. But today also we'll be doing some questions from the exercise, and I'll be helping you some of the different type of questions how to do, especially where there are no diagrams, because diagrams helps a lot. And if there is no diagram in this question, then it won't be a much helpful for you guys. So I'll work out the questions of different kind of questions so that it can help you, okay, in the questions to solve. So the very first question that we are going to solve today is question number 6. Let's read together what does question number 6 says. Question number 6 says, show that the quadrilateral formed by joining the midpoints of an adjacent side of a square is also a square. I'll explain you this question. What does the question is trying to say? Show that the quadrilateral formed, अभी form नहीं हुआ है, by joining the midpoints of adjacent sides of a square. एक square है, okay, this is square. I can name A, B, C, D. उन्होंने बोला एक square है, this is square. ठीक है, this is square. Show that the quadrilateral formed by joining the midpoints of the adjacent side. These are the adjacent side. ये midpoint है इस side का, ये midpoint है इस side का, ये midpoint है इस side का, ये midpoint है. Adjacent side मतलब this side and this side. When I join this side and this side and this side and this side, a quadrilateral is formed. Can you see? A quadrilateral is formed. So if this is E, F, G, H. So you know a quadrilateral is formed. I'll read the question again so that you can understand the question. Show that the quadrilateral formed. This is the quadrilateral formed by joining the midpoints. I have joined the midpoints and then the quadrilateral is formed by joining the midpoints of the adjacent side of a square. This was a square, and I have joined the midpoints, and I got. They have to prove that this is a square. This is a quadrilateral for me right now, but I have to prove it that this is a square. So what I will do, I'll write given. What is given to me? Okay. So given is that A, B, C, D is a square. This is what is given to me. You know that it's already given to me. If you read the question again and again and again, you'll understand that a square has been given to you. That's A, B, C, D is a square. And also one more thing, they have said that E, F, G and H are the midpoints. It means the midpoints are also given to you. Okay? I'm construction कर रहे हैं हम. What is the construction I am doing? Join AC and BD with a dotted line. Here I am joining them. So AC I am joining. Okay, and I am also joining these B. Okay, and what do I need to prove? To prove, okay, to prove. What do I need to prove? I need to prove that EFGH is a square. I have to prove that it's a square. I don't know yet that this is a square or not. So let's start proving. Proof. Okay, let's start proving. Let's see in triangle. Okay, even if you guys are looking at this video now, I would say pause the video and see what you guys are going to do in this question. What would you do in this question? Pause the video, do it wrong, and maybe you will end up doing it wrong, but that's okay. It's not bad doing something wrong in the start. It's good that you will learn more. Okay, so I'll be looking in triangle ABD. ABD. If I see in triangle ABD, okay, ABD, this is a triangle that I am looking. So what I can see that E and H are the midpoints. Are the midpoints of what? They are the midpoints of AB. E is the midpoint of AB and H is the midpoint of AD. जब दो midpoints given है तो I can write when इस ये कल ट्रायंगल दिख रहा है हमने midpoint theorem किसके बारे में सीखा? ट्रायंगल के बारे में सीखा. And if this is are the two midpoints, so I can say that EH is parallel to BC. Sorry, BD, and I can also write EH is equals to half of BD. Got it? Okay, I hope you got this. Okay, अगर आपको फिर से देखना है आप रफ करके देख सकते हैं. So this is equation 1. I'll write this as equation 1. Okay, now I'll move on. Okay, this is equation 1. Now I'll see equation 2. What does equation 2 says? I'll see in triangle. Please have a look in triangle BCD. Okay, so I can say F and H, G are F and G are midpoints. It was given that they are the midpoints. So what can I write out of this? I can write GF is parallel to BD and GF is equals to half of BD. This is equation 2. Okay. Now let's have a look in different triangle. We'll have a look in. So I got how many equations till now? I got 2 equations. Okay. I'm getting third equation over here. I'll see in triangle ACD. ACD. This triangle I am talking about. So H and G are the midpoints. I can write H and G are the midpoints. So if they are the midpoints, H and G are the midpoints, I can write one thing, that HG is parallel to AC and HG is equals to half of AC. So this is third point that I got. So how many points did I got? I got 3 points. I'll get the fourth point also. Now the fourth point is going to be in triangle. You guys can see over here I am writing in triangle ABC. ABC. So in ABC, E and F are the midpoints. E and F are midpoints. So when E and F are the midpoints, what I can say? E and F are the midpoints. I can say that EF is parallel to AC and EF is equals to half of AC. This is fourth equation. Okay, I hope you understood first equation, second equation, third equation, fourth equation. I'm writing one more thing you guys need to see over here. AC equals to BD. Why am I writing AC equals to BD? Because they are the diagonals of a square and the diagonals of a square are always equal. Diagonals of a square are always equal. You should know this. So what I can do over here is, जहां पे BD दिख रहा है मैं उसकी जगह AC पे लिख सकता हूं, जहां पे BD दिख रहा है मैं उसकी जगह AC पे लिख सकता हूं चारों इक्वेशन में। तो आपको यहाँ BD दिख रहा है, मैं यहाँ पे AC डाल देता हूं बिकॉज दे बोथ आर इक्वल, और कहाँ BD दिख रहा है यहाँ AC डाल देता हूं। Now see equation 1, 2 and 3. What do you guys observe? First equation, second equation, third equation, fourth equation. If you see all the fourth equation, right hand side is same. Half AC, half AC, half AC, half AC. So through this I can say अगर right hand side same है तो सारी की सारी left hand side भी same होगी. So what I can write? I can write EH equals to GF equals to HG equals to EF. And when I have written it down that EH equals to GF equals to HG equals to EF, it means these are the sides of a quadrilateral in the middle, and when all the sides are equal, I can say it's a square. When all the sides are equal, I can say it's a square. That's how you have to do this question. Okay, let's have a look what we can do in question number 9. It's a new question. We don't have a figure for this question, so we'll figure out how to make a figure for this question, plus how to solve this question, right? And how to put words into figure. Now it says ABC is an isosceles triangle, so I'm going to draw a triangle over here. Okay, so this is A, this is B, this is C. And they said it's an isosceles triangle with AB equals to AC. AB equals to AC. So if these two sides are equal, we have studied that these two angles will also be equal, right? If these two sides are equal, these two angles will be equals to. D, E, F are the midpoints of the side BC, AB and AC. D, E, F. BC का midpoint है E, D. Okay. E किसका midpoint है? AB का E, F. We don't have to find that they are the midpoints. I know that they are the midpoints. So E, F and D, they all are the midpoints. Prove that line segment AD, line segment एक line का part line segment AD, एक line है ये line segment AD, ठीक है, इसकी बात कर रहा है. I can make this a dotted line so that you know that we have constructed this right now. Okay, a dotted line is perpendicular to EF. Is perpendicular to EF. मुझे बताना है कि AD जो लाइन है 90 डिग्री बना रही है इसे, और EF को आधे में काट रही है. मतलब अगर ये 10 सेंटीमीटर का ये 5 और ये 5 इतने में काट रही है, आधे में काट रही है. ये मुझे प्रूव करना है. ये प्रूव कैसे होगा? तो लेट्स सी द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस. Okay, first we'll see in a big triangle, and the big triangle is A, B, D and A, D, C. If you guys can see the two triangle A, B, D and ADC, A, B, D and ADC. You guys can also see the hint is also given below that I have to prove both the triangles are congruent. ठीक है? Now, if I just ignore this part right now, for now I am just ignoring this part. So I am proving A, B, D and A, D, C. ये दोनों triangles. So I need to prove both of them congruent. So if both of them are congruent, I have to prove 3. I need to know 3. So what is the very first proof? I know that AD equals to AD, that is common. Right? Second thing is I can say that AC. I can also say that I can say BD equals to DC. Why? Because D is the midpoint. Right? D is the midpoint. They have given BD equals to DC. And one more thing, one last thing. AB equals to AC. It was given over there. AB equals to AC given. It's an isosceles triangle. So this is proved by SSS rule. By which rule this is proved? SSS. जब ये SS rule से prove हो गए, so I can also say that this angle is equal to this angle. Why? CPC. Okay, so I am writing angle BAD is equals to angle DAC. Okay, so this angle is equals to this angle. Why? CPCP. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. So that's why I wrote BAD is equals to DAC angle. Okay, I got this one. Now I'll go to a more smaller angle. Now I'll see this angle. Okay, so I'm writing this M. M लिख रहा हूँ इसका नाम, वाले पॉइंट का नाम बीच में. ठीक है? Let's see what we can do now. I hope everyone understood this. अगर आपको फिर से देखना है, you guys can go back in the video. Okay? Go back in the video, you'll understand. So I'm looking in triangle now. In triangle AME and triangle AMF. Okay, AME and AMF. You know this line, these are the midpoints. So this line is parallel to this line. पता है आपको? तो जब ये और ये parallel है, so this angle will be equal to this angle, and this angle will be equal to this angle, and you would think why? Corresponding angle. Okay? So I can say E and F are equal, angle E and F are equal. So मैं इसमें भी 3 पॉइंट्स लिखने हैं मुझे. ठीक है, तो पहला पॉइंट क्या है? एंगल AEM is equals to angle AFM. Reason corresponding to BMD, angle BMD. So E is corresponding to B and F is corresponding to C. Okay, corresponding to B, angle B and angle C. That's why. So अगर ये 60 है तो ये भी 60 का, क्योंकि आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल है. तो ये भी 60 हो क्योंकि corresponding है. आपने 7th क्लास में जब पैरेलल लाइंस के बारे में सीखा था, हमने ये सीखा था this angle is equal to this angle, corresponding angle. So that's why I am saying they both are equal. I know one more thing, I proved it before, that this angle equals to this angle. CPCD से निकला था. So angle EAM is equals to angle FAM. Okay, so this angle equals to this angle. I can write that as well. Okay, now what I will be doing is, let's say this angle equals to this angle. Now I need one more thing, and the one more thing is that AM is equals to AM. तो ये किससे प्रूव हो गया? ये किससे प्रूव हो गया? इससे एंगल साइड से प्रूव हो गया. एंगल साइड से. ठीक है, सो ये ट्रायंगल इसलिए कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव हो गया. अब जब प्रूव हो गया, मुझे प्रूव क्या करना है यहाँ देखिए. प्रूव दैट लाइन सेगमेंट AD is perpendicular to EF. AD is perpendicular to EF, मतलब ये 90 है. ये प्रूव करना है. तो यहाँ देखो, अब मैं यहाँ लिख रहा हूँ एंगल TMA is equals to angle AMF. Why? CPCD. मैंने लिखा this angle is equals to this angle. Why? CPCD. ये ट्रायंगल इसके कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव हो गया, तो this angle will be equals to this angle, CPCD. तो जब मैं लिखता हूँ EMA प्लस एंगल AMF इक्वल्स टू 180. क्यों? बिकॉज स्ट्रेट लाइन बन रही है और दोनों को ऐड करूंगा तो कितना हो जाएगा? ये दोनों एक ही है, तो मैं 2EMA लिखूंगा. 2 एंगल EMA इक्वल्स टू 180 डिग्री. सो एंगल EMA कितना हो जाएगा? 90 डिग्री. 2 नीचे जाके डिवाइड हो जाएगा और EMA कितना हो जाएगा? 90. सो दिस इज 90. तो ये भी 90 होगा. तो हमें परपेंडिकुलर प्रूफ करना है. परपेंडिकुलर मतलब ये प्रूफ करना था ये 90 और ये 90. ठीक है, अब मुझे ये भी प्रूफ करना है दैट AD is bisecting EF. तो I can write like this: EM is equals to MF. Why I can write this? The reason I can write this by CPCT, क्योंकि मैंने जब ये ट्राइंगल प्रूव किया दोनों, जब ये और ये प्रूव किया, तो इसका जो ट्राइंगल का पार्ट है दिस एंड दिस विल बी इक्वल बाय CPCT. सो ये भी प्रूव हो गया. सो दोनों चीज प्रूव हो गया. एक तो ये एंगल दोनों 90 डिग्री ये प्रूव हो गया, और ये EF is equals to MF by CPCT प्रूव हो गया, that this side is equals to this side, and that's what I had to do. Okay, I hope you guys understood this. If you didn't, go back in the video and try understanding.